Okay, so let's start the usual thing. Daily chart of the ES, 3 in, 4 here, leading diagonal to here, 2 back to here at the 50% retrace, 1 up. Now, the question simply is, was the move down into the low on Wednesday, all of the 2, or just the A of it? Above this line, so take out the high, we're going up. And while we're below it, we can still come down to the original target, 27.77, or possibly stay as high as 27.98 for a C wave, and then we take it out. That's what I've got in the ES, keeping it nice and simple. Now, if I then come down and look at that on some smaller time scales, let's just zoom this out. So this is the region, the shaded box. These are the charts that I posted in the forum this morning that we should come down to if we're in the C of 2. Okay, otherwise the 2 is already in here, and we will hold a retrace this morning. We should make another high first if we are to make a full 5 up off the low. Hourly chart, there's the B, here's the region that it needs to get through. Anywhere in there, if it turns and takes out this support region, we are likely in the C down. Okay, otherwise we should head up here to this target zone for the 1, then we'll get a 2 back, and then we're off to the races. 3011 would be the next target. So that's what I'm watching this morning early on, is these shaded zones for support and resistance, and whichever one gets taken out first will likely determine the count over probably the next week or so, actually, while this plays out one way or the other. And I'm kind of hoping for the 2 back, the C of 2 down, to give us another opportunity to get long at lower levels. But either way, I let the market tell us what it's going to do rather than trying to decide what we want it to do, and we go from there. At the moment, we're holding above the 764 extension. 28.33 is the key level in the ES that we want it to stay above if we're going to carry on and make a 5th up. I've done all the little subwaves here, and I've actually gone into finite detail on every one. They all conform to the rules. They're not the prettiest count up, I must admit, but there is no breach of any Elliott Wave rules in any of that. This is the zone that's got a hold on the 5-minute chart. I think I posted the 5-minute chart for you. What I'm doing each morning now, if you go and look at the FTSE and the ES, you'll see a thread, and anything additional gets posted within that thread. So this is the 5-minute chart with the Elliott Wave count overlaid, with the day trading lines, with the target zone and relevant regions marked up at the same time. Okay, take out the upper blue line today. 28.49 is a long entry. If you want to be brave, you can enter if we take out 28.40, which is the original lower blue line, if we get back above there. So that's what I've got in the ES this morning.